It's a secret. Can you keep it a secret? It's like eating the rainbow. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. For those who don't know me, I am the creator behind HealthHappySecrets.com and HealthHappy social media outlet. Today's video is super exciting because it is going to be a DIY unicorn grilled cheese recipe video. If you guys are excited for the unicorn grilled cheese recipe, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. And without further ado, let's just hop right into this video.
So we're gonna need some of your favorite bread. Mine is a locally made vegan bread, and also some Earth Balance or Super coconut oil for a creamy, buttery texture for the bread. Some vegan cheese that will melt perfectly, like Daiya. Some food coloring of your choice that you think is more unicorn-like. Some sprinkles, of course, and some healthy oil to spray on top of your grill to grill the bread. So first, we're gonna put the vegan cheese in a small bowl like so, and then add 2 to 3 drops of your food coloring. And I'm starting with the red color and going around the spectrum, but you can feel free to choose your favorite colors and do the same thing for each color. Once I make the colorful cheese filling, I'm going to add a little bit of the vegan butter, spread it along the breads, both breads, and then on top gonna add the cheeses. And when I add the cheese, I'm going in a vertical direction and making sure I'm getting a little bit of each color that I made to make the unicorn rainbow effect like I'm showing here. Now onto the grilling. So I'm adding my healthy oil all over my grilling pan on my stove, or you can even use a frying pan to do the same thing. Basically, you're just grilling your grilled cheese. When I grilled, I added the cheese-filled toast first, and then added the other toast that was covered in the buttery spread on top, and then flipped it over both sides and making sure that the cheese melted. I did this for about 2 minutes, making sure it doesn't burn. You can also just open up the bread and melt the cheese if the cheese is not perfectly melting the way you'd like it to melt. It takes roughly 2 to 3 minutes for the total procedure. Once you finish grilling the bread both sides, I'm going to be adding my sprinkles on top and also opening up the toasts and putting in the sprinkles inside so that when you crack it open, all the magical goodness of the unicorn stuff comes out. All right, are you guys ready for this? We're gonna crack it open. Wow, would you look at that? Do you guys see the beautiful colors blended in together? Now this is what I call a unicorn grilled cheese.
The unicorn grilled cheese that I just made. Oh my gosh. Look at the sprinkles. Look at the colors. Oh, this is just beautiful. This is beautiful. Don't you guys think so? So let's do a quick taste test.
It was so delicious, guys. I had no words to explain how good it was. I hope you guys enjoy the recipe and let me know what you guys think if you make it.
So I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed watching it. If you are also new to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button so we can stay in touch and be friends and all that good stuff. So until my next video, make sure to keep on smiling and shining, and of course healthy, and I love you guys so much.